Hi everyone, this is Cage Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in favorite in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Canteen compilation, which is SB19 Ken or Philip and Justin. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano to? Canteen Focus. Ay, bagay sila. Para sila na nonchalant, pero mas naughty si Justin, right? Sorrow in the eyes.
I really love, dying.
Justin, what do you think? Do you think Ken's gonna?
Yeah, I'm hoping he have to have him rainbow color.
Rainbow color.
Oh yeah,
This is new though.
no.
You got new
I was
glasses?
holding,
Really?
I was holding,
Tingnan mo, brotherhood talaga ang atake nila. They are brotherhood. Charis, di ba? Magkapatid talaga sila. Pero iba yung tinginan ni ano. Charis, parang ibang tinginan ni Justin. Ay, tama, may pag-assist talaga si Justin.
Other than the 18 zombies.
18 zombies. May pag-assist talaga si Justin, mami. Di mo kaya.
I think among us, I'm the most
What? Pure.
that spend time with my family.
Ah,
No strings, right? Yeah.
borta na din si Philip, no? Tingnan mo naman, putok na putok ang muscle, mami. Galit na galit. Look at that muscle, though. Galit na galit, putok na putok, mami. I mean, kaya mo ba yun? Kaya mo ba yun, Mi?
Taiwanese fans with like some shooting for the stars, our song for the stars.
Putok na putok, ayaw manakit. Ay, taray, atake. Atake sila, mami. Ang ganda pa ng background music, actually. Anyways.
Hindi mo kami madadaan sa ganyan tawa-awa mo.
Patingin. Ang laki ng ilong mo, ang laki. Grabe naman kayo sa malaking ilong.
Hurt him.
Ay, puta ka. Sorry. Sorry, mami. Ay. Ay, oo. Ito yung era na naabutan ko kay Justin. Ito siya. Pati sila pala ng hair before, no? Yan, ganyan ngayon. Ay. Ano na? Akala ko pa brotherhood. Pero bakit ganyan? Ang gwapo ni Justin. Ang gwapo na baby talaga siya. Gwapo talaga siya. Suffer. Iba talaga atake niya. Atake. Gwapo. Uy. Ay! Nagkadikit na, may pilipit pa ng kamay. I mean, kaya mo ba yun? Ganun ba talaga yung atake ng mag-brother? Parang hindi naman ganun yung atake ng mag-brother, mami. Ay. Taray. Ay. Ay, ang nipis mo dyan, Justin. Charis. Ang nipis mo dyan, Justin.
Yung pinalo ko lang din sa ITC.
Sino? Si Justin lang. Ay, bakit naputol? Ayan no. Ganyan, oh, may pilipit pa talaga ng kamay. I mean, you know what I mean? Just, I mean, if you know, you know. Akala ko ba mag-brother lang? Uy, ayan, seryosohin nyo naman itong reaction video ko. Malandi kayo. Tigilan nyo ako. Ay, atake. Atake ang mag-brother. Charit. Very atake. Ay, sana all. 6 p.m. 5:53. 5:55. 5:56. Uuwi ka rin. 5:57. Magkasama sila. 5:58. Pauwi sila ng bahay for today's video. Magpapahinga sila. Oh. Ay. Patingin. Bakit? Ano meron kay Justin? Wait, ano? Ano daw? Gusto si Akla, ah. Ay, atake. Okay. way of bulungan. Patingin. Proper way. Grabe si Justin. Grabe si Justin. Ang sexy ni Justin dun. It's just like a normal beat when you thought. Hindi pa expire yung amoy. Hindi ba action? Tingnan mo. Grabe naman talaga. What's next? Ay, dahan lang. Gusto ko tong kantang to. Dahan lang. Grabe naman sa dahan-dahan na yun. Wait lang, atake naman sila sa dahan-dahan. Wait. Ay, grabe. Parang seductive naman dito. Sobra. Hoy, walang mali siya to ha, mami ha. Walang seryosohan ha. Ay, gwapo. Anyways,
Feel like it here. Yeah.
With that letter.
Yeah, with that, I'm gonna
good luck, brother.
in our concert soon.
Ah, yes. Ang gwapo.
Ken's gonna show up in another different color.
Kentin in Taiwan.
Justin, what do you think? Do you think Ken's gonna
Yeah, I'm hoping he have to have him rainbow color.
rainbow color?
Okay.
You love Bye Bye? I give you one. Come on.
Takay. Kway-kway for protection but partner first. But partner first. Ang cute din naman ng kway-kway. Ay, bago lang to ah.
Not bad will happen. Yeah, all good will happen. Who's the youngest one? So
Ang cute ni ano, Justin. Anyways, there you go guys. That's all for today's video. The Kenton compilation. And this is Video Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!